Hi everyone, my name is Dominic Daughtry.
And I'm Jared Matee, and we're the co-chairs of the Bluebeam Committee.
It's an exciting time in the construction industry right now. There's lots of innovative technology, Bluebeam being one of them.
As many of you know, all operations personnel were converted over to Bluebeam a few months ago. And this has allowed us a lot more efficiency in what we do every day, including taking the DRDs to the next level.
All the information you see in this video is geared towards our continuous improvement effort. So sit back, hold on to your chairs, and enjoy the ride.
With Bluebeam, making page labels and bookmarks is a much faster and simpler process than the old Adobe Acrobat way. With Adobe, one would have to spend hours and hours in a tedious process of renaming and relabeling each page individually one by one. But with Bluebeam, this process is done automatically with a few clicks of the mouse. All you have to do is select the page region that you want Bluebeam to read, and it will create all the labels simply in a 60-second process. Then from there, you automatically can create the bookmarks in a matter of a few seconds.
One of the most exciting new updates to Bluebeam is Batchlink, and Batchlink automatically hyperlinks all of your DRDs. What used to take weeks now can take an hour. So take a look at the videos.
My name is Patrick Brandon Fonseca, and I've been with Sundt for 8 years. I'm currently a field superintendent working on the San Diego International Airport Rental Car Center in the quality department. I'm here to share with you some exciting new technology that Sundt has recently acquired from Bluebeam that has drastically reduced the time-consuming process of linking our DRDs, the digital record drawings, and it saves us money. In the past, the project team might wait 1, 2, 3, or even 4 weeks before a set of DRDs are linked and ready for field use, posting RFIs, ASIs, FCDs, bulletins, etc. But with Bluebeam, the Batchlink tool, DRD link setup can be completed the very same day the digital set of drawings are issued to us. The Batchlink tool with Bluebeam is able to link a set of DRDs with 100 sheets in minutes and a set of DRDs with 500 plus sheets in an hour or less. I took a medium-sized set, 3A, package with 227 sheets for the rental car center and ran Batchlink, which yielded 1,256 links in 20 minutes. This was a phenomenal result during my trial experience using Batchlink, and I instantly became an advocate and endorsed this tool for all of our project team members to learn, understand, and utilize. The Batchlink tool did not only link standard sections, elevations, and callouts that most of our DRD projects stop at due to time constraints, but it also goes in depth into the drawings, linking every title sheet, note, and reference that exists in the drawings using the OCR system, optical character recognition. Every location that has a sheet name is automatically linked to the specific sheet. In addition to this initial setup efficiency from 40 to 100 hours, reduced to 1 hour, the system also produces an error report, which will identify each sheet that has a call out that does not exist. This detail report can then be evaluated and forwarded to the design team for corrections, increasing collaboration and accuracy of information. An additional benefit to time savings utilizing Bluebeam, Batchlink also has a cost savings. We recently consulted firms that outsources DRD linking and found that on average the cost to link the DRDs was $7 per sheet. The rental car center has 800 sheets with all 4 sets combined for a total cost of $5,600 in the DRD link initial setup. This does not include the revision sheets throughout the process. A Sundt owner performing the Batchlink can perform the same task for the cost of 1 hour of wage.
Now that you folks have heard some of the benefits of Batchlink from the construction side, I'd like to discuss the pre-construction and estimating side with you. Previously, before Batchlink, estimating and pre-con, they never did a hyperlink set of drawings. It made no sense because it was too expensive and it took too long. Now with the Batchlink function, they actually have the ability to create hyperlink plans where they're automatically hyperlinking details, callouts, elevations, all these things that they're using to create an accurate proposal. They're able to automatically do this. It saves them time and money, and I would argue actually gives them a more accurate proposal. So please watch the next interview with Clinton Condit. He's going to be saying a few words regarding the batch link on the pre-construction side.
Prior to the capabilities of the Bluebeam batch link feature, our pre-con environment consisted of getting a set of documents, usually downloading it into our takeoff software. Often what we'd end up doing is actually printing at least the detail sheets from the structural sets, maybe even some of the architectural areas, and referencing those as we went through the drawings, because it really, on a time basis, doesn't make sense in the pre-con environment to go through and set up a useful set of linked drawings. We just don't have the time in a typical bid cycle. So now with the Bluebeam batch link feature, we have the ability within 30 minutes, depending on how long or how big the documents are, setting up an environment to where you go through, run the optical character recognition, create all the links, and having a set of documents now where you can pretty much interact in just the digital environment.
Another really cool thing that we've developed here at Sundt is custom navigation buttons on your DRDs, and it basically gives you a visual interface, and you have the ability to fly around different disciplines on the same floor. You're able to jump up a floor, down a floor, check mechanical, electrical, telco, all these different trades, as well as structural, architectural, RCP. It gives you the ability to efficiently fly around the plans and reference different details and plan views.
So you're probably wondering what these custom navigation buttons are. What they actually are is a visual dashboard that allows you to search different disciplines on a single floor, and that can be whether it's architectural, structural, MEP. It gives you the ability to fly around and check plan views, details, and things like that that are in the same area. You're able to compare things. What you can see right here is the custom navigation buttons that I've set up for my first floor, and I have this on every single floor on my DRD set. But I'm able to fly around and check slab plan, foundation plan for the first floor, search back to the floor plan, and then finally the reinforcing plan. So you have the ability to reference all these different things really easily. You can jump up a floor and do the same thing throughout the second floor, as you can see right here. It just makes it extremely easy to reference things, saving you time and money every time you search through the DRDs. It's a real great tool to have on a job site. Superintendents, project managers, project engineers, they really love it. So let's see what a project super on my project feels about them.
Switching from Adobe to Bluebeam has provided a bunch of great benefits out here at Cal State Channel Islands. One of the things that we're using is the custom navigation buttons. It allows you to switch back and forth from different sheets, different disciplines, find details easily, go back to plan pages, review the two, compare the two. Makes it really quick and efficient. Definitely recommend that people take the time to learn how to use this system, learn the tools that it offers, because it does save you time, makes you more efficient out in the field.
Wow, you guys have seen a lot. You've seen the automatic indexing and bookmarking, you've seen batch link, you've seen the custom DRD buttons, but the last but not least is the punch listing with Bluebeam. And it's an amazing and innovative new workflow, huge time saver. It gives you the ability to accurately and efficiently document and communicate deficiencies to your subcontractors. Sundt was actually given the honor of having a Bluebeam case study done at the SDSU Aztec Center in San Diego, California. Both me and Jared were involved in that, and it was a real honor. It was an amazing process, a big learning experience for Sundt as a whole. So take a look at the video. Hope you enjoy.
Using Bluebeam to set up and manage a project team's punch list activities not only affords the project team the ability to be more accurate and efficient, but also to perform punch listing in an interactive, collaborative, and mobile environment.
What you can see in the screencast video right now is the ability of project team to set up a customized Punchlist toolset. This allows the team to be on the go using tablets or laptops with touchscreens to manage the Punchlist process and document any deficiencies in quality. The other advantage is the ability for the project team to create customized reports and report these deficiencies to subcontractors. The Punchlist toolset allows you to actually incorporate responsibility coding for your subcontractors, which assigns them, and it also gives the project team or superintendents the ability to go out in the field and report status of these deficiencies, as you can see in the video right here. You have the ability to customize these statuses to basically communicate either acceptance, rejection, cancellation of punch list items.
Sundt was given the opportunity to be included in Bluebeam's online case study program, and the case study that was performed was on the San Diego State University Aztec Center, and it is all on the innovative workflow and the innovative way we handled punch lists using the Bluebeam software on that project. And you can find it at the bluebeam.com. Go to case studies, and if you scroll down, Sundt is included amongst all the big boys, as you can see right here, and the case study is titled Sundt turns to review to manage a complicated punch process for the San Diego State University. If you go to it, it'll tell you all about how we manage this extremely complicated project and complicated punch list process and workflow. It was a real opportunity. Jared Matee and I were major parts of this case study and the punch list process. We learned a great deal from it, and we got the exposure and the recognition from Bluebeam and other industry professionals.
Hey everybody, I hope you enjoyed the video. What we wanted to do is show everybody what we've been up to the last year here at Sundt. Every single video that you saw there, everything that we've been doing has been in the spirit of Paul A. Akers' 2-second lean and continuous improvement. The people at Sundt, they see themselves where they're at because of Sundt, in the hopes that one day Sundt will be where it's at because of us. And that's what continuous improvement's all about. It's continuous. It's never going to end. We're never going to arrive. As long as we have strong leaders, I'm looking at you guys, that are leading by example, that are learning by doing, this thing will always continue. It doesn't start or stop. And I think that some of the things that we've shown you here today are proof of that. But if you're skeptical and you don't believe me, then I guess you can hear it from the Godfather himself, Paul A. Akers, the author of 2-Second Lean.
Hi everyone, Paul Akers. I just wanted to make a quick video to encourage everyone at Sundt Construction about the great job you're doing with lean. You know, it's not easy to change direction, but when you change direction for continuous improvement to make the quality of your life and the people you work with better, it's worth every bit of effort you put into it. The key is to keep it simple. A lot of companies like to make a lot of complexity and add complexity to everything they do. The key to lean is actually to subtract, to make things easier and simpler so the maximum number of people can access the information. The key is encourage one another, make before and after videos, make a YouTube channel, continually do this on a daily basis. Do lean first and then work, and you will be astounded by the results you're going to get. I wish you guys all the best. Thanks a lot.
Oh yeah, coming to a Sundt project near you, the Sundt ShareBeam. Thanks.
Adrenaline, elevate organically. Life begins when the record spins and ends. Blended into the next with scratches. RJ constructs the canvas. I find a color that matches. Outline the rhyme and increase the content. Blueprint the piece that completes the concept. Sequence the song steps to make it more complex. Soul positioning, soul possession of soul position. Hold your breath and listen while I resurrect these 26 letters. A lesson to beginners that tend to pale in comparison. You're not ill, and if you are, my notepad's full of medicine. Plus my freestyle is etc. Take 2 rounds and call me back with a new style and show me you're prepared for the final frontier. frontier. We're here.